Stop texting a woman who's ignoring you. Don't reach out, I get it. You want to know if she still cares or thinks about you. But here's the truth. She's ignoring you for a reason. What are you trying to prove by contacting her? Are you hoping to remind her how great it feels to be with you? It's not your responsibility to remind someone that you exist. If a woman doesn't reach out, it's because she doesn't want to. And as a man, you should never want to be with someone who easily forgets about you. The right woman, the one who truly wants you, will make sure you know how much you mean to her. Instead of waiting around for her to give you the love and attention you deserve, start giving it to yourself. When you focus on you, you'll realize you've always been the main character in your lives. You don't need anyone's validation to feel whole. So don't waste your energy chasing someone who doesn't see your worth.